Korean streets pulse with energy, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that captivate the senses. This energy is fueled by the enticing aromas of street food, wafting through the air and drawing people in from all directions. From savory to sweet, the options are endless. Each stall offers a unique culinary experience, showcasing the rich diversity of Korean cuisine. One delicacy stands out among the myriad of choices: Squid Sundae, also known as squid sausage with jampong filling. This dish is a true representation of Korean street food innovation. Squid Sundae is not your average street food. It's a culinary masterpiece that combines traditional flavors with modern techniques. It's a testament to Korean culinary ingenuity, where chefs and vendors alike take pride in their craft, creating dishes that are both delicious and visually stunning. Imagine plump squid tubes, stuffed to the brim with a spicy, flavorful filling. The jampong filling is a blend of seafood, vegetables, and spices, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. The dish is a feast for the eyes and the palate. The vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas make it irresistible to passers-by. The creation of Squid Sundae is a meticulous process, requiring skill and precision at every step. It begins with sourcing the freshest squid, ensuring that the base ingredient is of the highest quality. Then comes the careful preparation of the squid, cleaning and prepping it to perfection, and the creation of the flavorful jampong filling. This mixture is crafted with a blend of fresh seafood, vegetables, and a medley of spices that give it its distinctive taste. Each step is crucial in delivering an explosion of taste and texture. The final assembly brings all the elements together, creating a dish that is both complex and satisfying. Let's take a closer look at the fascinating journey of creating this Korean street food delicacy. From the bustling markets to the skilled hands of the vendors, every aspect of Squid Sundae's preparation is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Korea. The journey of Squid Sundae begins at the break of dawn. Fishermen set sail into the vast ocean, their nets cast wide. They seek the freshest catch of the day. Squid, known for its delicate flavor and firm texture, is the star ingredient. Only the highest quality squid is selected for Squid Sundae. The squid must be plump, their skin shimmering with an iridescent glow. This ensures the perfect canvas for the flavorful filling. Once ashore, the squid are rushed to the bustling fish markets. Here, vendors carefully inspect each one, ensuring only the best make their way to the street food stalls. At the heart of every delicious Squid Sundae is the meticulous preparation of the squid. This crucial step ensures the dish's signature tenderness and flavor. Skilled hands work deftly, first removing the squid's innards and cartilaginous quill. Then the squid is thoroughly rinsed under cold water. This careful cleaning process removes any impurities, leaving behind pristine, pearly white squid tubes. These tubes are now ready to be transformed into edible vessels for the flavorful jampong filling. The meticulous preparation extends beyond just cleaning. The squid is gently scored on the surface. This allows the flavors of the filling to penetrate deeply. The heart and soul of Squid Sundae lie in its fiery and flavorful jampong filling. This complex mixture of ingredients is a culinary symphony that tantalizes taste buds. The base of the filling often includes finely chopped vegetables such as onions, carrots, and cabbage. These provide a subtle sweetness and a satisfying crunch. Next comes the heat. Gochugaru, Korean chili pepper flakes, infuse the filling with their signature fiery kick. The amount of gochugaru can be adjusted to suit individual preferences. Other spices, such as garlic, ginger, and black pepper, add layers of complexity and depth to the filling. The result is a harmonious blend of flavors that is both spicy and savory. Section 5. The delicate dance of filling. With the squid meticulously cleaned, each tube is now a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece. The jampong filling, a vibrant mix of seafood and spices, is bursting with flavor, promising a delightful taste in every bite. Now it's time for the delicate dance of filling. This is where precision meets artistry. This step requires a steady hand and a keen eye, as even the slightest misstep can affect the final dish. Using a spoon or a piping bag, the filling is carefully inserted into each squid tube. The choice of tool can depend on the chef's preference and the consistency of the filling. The filling is gently but firmly pushed into the squid, ensuring it reaches every corner without tearing the delicate flesh. The key here is to achieve a balance. generously filling the squid without overstuffing it. This balance is crucial for both the texture and the cooking process. Overfilling can cause the squid to burst open during cooking, which not only results in a loss of precious filling, but also affects the presentation and taste. A burst squid can lead to spilled filling on the cooking surface, creating a mess and wasting the flavorful mixture. Moreover, an unevenly filled squid can result in an unevenly cooked dish, with some parts overcooked and others undercooked. The goal is to create a plump, evenly stuffed squid sundae that cooks perfectly. Once filled, the squid should look uniform and inviting. The open ends of the squid tubes are then secured, either by tying or using a small skewer. This step is essential to keep the filling intact during cooking. Securing the ends prevents the filling from escaping during the cooking process, ensuring that each squid tube remains perfectly stuffed. This meticulous process ensures that each bite is an explosion of flavor, with the filling and squid perfectly complementing each other. The result is a dish that is as delightful to the eyes as it is to the palate. Section 6. Sealing in the goodness. The stuffed squid tubes, now plump with the flavorful jampong filling, are ready for the next crucial step: sealing. This step is essential to ensure that the rich, spicy and savory filling stays inside the squid during the cooking process, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. This step ensures that every morsel of the delicious filling remains intact during cooking. Without proper sealing, the filling could spill out, losing the essence of the dish and making it less enjoyable. There are several methods for sealing the squid, each with its own unique advantages and techniques. These methods have been perfected over time by street food vendors and chefs alike. One common technique involves using toothpicks. This method is simple yet effective, ensuring that the filling is securely trapped inside the squid tubes. These are carefully inserted across the open ends of the squid tubes, effectively trapping the filling inside. The toothpicks act as a barrier, preventing any of the delicious filling from escaping. Another method involves tying the ends with kitchen twine. This technique not only seals the squid but also adds a rustic, homemade touch to the final product, giving it an artisanal feel. This not only seals the squid but also adds a rustic, homemade touch to the final product. The twine gives the squid a charming, handcrafted appearance that appeals to many. Whichever method is used, the goal remains the same: to securely seal the squid, ensuring that the flavorful jampong filling stays inside, preventing the flavorful jampong filling from escaping during the cooking process. This careful sealing process is what makes the dish so special, allowing the flavors to fully develop and providing a delightful eating experience. Section 7. Cooking to perfection. The aroma of simmering spices fills the air as the stuffed squid tubes are ready for their transformation. The cooking method, typically steaming or boiling, is crucial in achieving the perfect texture. Steaming, a gentler method, helps retain the squid's natural tenderness and allows the flavors of the jampong filling to meld beautifully. Boiling, on the other hand, offers a slightly faster cooking time. The squid is submerged in a flavorful broth, infusing it with even more savory notes. Regardless of the method, the key is to avoid overcooking. The squid should be cooked until just tender, retaining a slight chewiness. This ensures a delightful textural contrast with the flavorful filling. Section 8. From kitchen to street vendor. The tantalizing aroma of cooked squid sundae wafts through the air, beckoning hungry passers-by. The once plump stuffed squid tubes have transformed into glistening culinary delights. Carefully removed from the steamer or pot, the squid sundae is allowed to cool slightly. This makes it easier to handle and slice. Once cooled, the squid sundae is sliced into bite-sized pieces, revealing the vibrant jampong filling within. Each piece is a work of art, a testament to the careful preparation and cooking process. The sliced squid sundae is then typically skewered for easy eating. They are ready to be sold at bustling street food stalls where eager customers await their taste of this Korean delicacy.